हेलो नमस्ते साथीहरू, स्वागत छ तपाईलाई हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानल हामर क्लासमा। आजको विषय रहेको छ इङ्ग्लिस ग्रामर। यसको इन्ट्रोडक्सनको भिडियो पहिला बनाइसकेको छु, त्यो भिडियो अवश्य हेर्नुहोला। यदि तपाईँ यो च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने कृपया सब्स्क्राइब, लाइक र सेयर अवश्य गर्नुहोला। साथै आजको यो टपिक सुरु गरौँ। आजको विषय रहेको छ इङ्ग्लिस ग्रामरको पार्ट 2 नाउन हो। It is not easy to describe a noun. In simple terms, noun are things and verb are actions, like food. Food, noun is something you eat, verb. Or happiness. Happiness, noun is something you want, verb. Another example is human being. A human being, noun is something you are, verb. त्यस्तै अर्को छ what are nouns? The simple definition is a person, place or thing. Example: teacher, school, book. Types of noun: countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Dogs, dog. Rice, hairs. त्यस्तै अर्को छ proper nouns. Do we say Atlantic Ocean or the Atlantic Ocean? Should I write February or February? Shirley, Mr. Jackley, Thailand, April, Sony. Possessive. Adding s or to show possession. Just like the example, John's car, Ram cars, Hari cars, my parents' house. Noun as adjective. Something we use a noun to describe another nouns. In that case, the first noun is acting as an adjective. Love story, toothbrush, bathroom. आशा छ आजको भिडियो तपाईहरुलाई राम्रो लागेको होला। साथै तपाईको यो भिडियो हेरेर के प्रतिक्रिया छ, सल्लाह सुझाव कमेन्ट